All right, here we are today in New Orleans. We went ahead and jacked this house up 6 inches. So you can see this is where the house was before. We lifted it up. We did a nice job on all the piers. Went ahead and fixed all of these up. House is nice and straight and beautiful. And then we had to change out, we had to change out about 170 feet of sill on this house. The termites had got to it and eaten it and chewed it all up. So now we got a good foundation, nice and strong, so the owners can go ahead and finish their renovation.